The COVID-19 pandemic has led to job and income loss and plenty of financial fears. So today I talked to Graham McCaulley with MU's Extension Office. He's an assistant professor focusing on personal finance. Here's his advice on how to protect your family's money.
Graham, thank you so much for joining me today. My first question for you was, let's just kind of talk through how this pandemic has really affected people financially.
Yeah. Well, Emily, a lot of people are struggling right now. Here in Missouri, our unemployment claims are up tenfold last week and the week before. Nationally, they were up over 3 million during that same time period, making it the largest increase on record. In addition to these income disruptions, family finances are further harmed because many benefits for families are tied to unemployment, things like health insurance, life insurance, retirement savings. So taken together, many people's finances are getting hit pretty hard.
So what changes can people maybe make financially to help lessen the blow?
Yeah, well, all families, whether or not they've experienced an income disruption or not, should be proactive at this time. If you're a family that's experienced income disruption, the most proactive, important thing you can do is file for unemployment immediately. This is a system that everyone who works is paid into for their entire lives. And if you've experienced job loss or reduced hours, it's your right to file a claim. If you're a family that's fortunate enough to not have experienced job loss or reduced hours, now is the time to be more intentional than ever with your spending and saving.
So what are some of the resources available for folks who are maybe worried about making ends meet?
Well, the good news is that there are a lot of resources being made available right now, especially with the stimulus package passed last week. So for example, if you have federal student loans, which most borrowers do, and you're having trouble making payments, you can request an administrative forbearance from your servicer. And that's going to pause your student loan payments through September without any penalties, interest, or negative credit implications. Another big resource is unemployment has been greatly expanded. So meaning a wider range of Missouri workers are now eligible. They can receive more in weekly benefits and for a longer period of time. Finally, anyone who loses their health insurance for whatever reason can go to healthcare.gov and sign up for health insurance and often get help paying their premiums. What
are some of the positives that we've actually seen come out of all of this too, from a financial standpoint?
Well, when you think about, we're seeing people reach out to each other and support each other in greater ways than usual. We're also seeing banking institutions step up with things like suspending mortgage payments, waiving fees, offering low interest emergency loans, sometimes 0% loans. Many landlords are also being flexible. We'll all have to figure this out collectively and help each other.
Very true. Thank you so much, Graham.
Thank you. Appreciate it.